at the track with the F-150 we Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are in, as you see by the title of the video, we are in a customer's F-150. Now this is a 21 F-150 that we installed a VAS suspension kit. We will get more into that later on in the video, and also a Whipple. Now this is a four-wheel drive truck, and we have been asked to go out, put it through its paces, test it out, and that's what we are doing. Literally, the customer told me in his own words, give it hell, because that's what I'm gonna do. He asked me to try out the four-wheel drive launch, so that's what we're gonna do. That is impressive. Woo! Truck back in the shop. I'm gonna go over a few things with you with trucks. This is a stage 2 Whipple kit with a Whipple tune on it. It has a 3.875 pulley. Also, it has a UPR catch can set up on it. The customer also, before he sent it to us, got LED headlights, upgraded them, updated everything in the forescan for them. Also, he did paint match everything up here, upgraded a few things. He had the Forge Star wheels on it, 22s, yes, 305, 40, 22 in the front. And I believe the same thing in the back, yes, 305, 40, 22 in the back also. We talked about everything so far. Let's get it up in the air, show you guys the suspension setup with the VAS suspension and the Viking stuff. We're gonna start back here in the back, guys. We got the Viking double adjustable rear shocks with the VAS shock relocation brackets. We have the VAS leaf spring flip kit. We have the VAS traction bars, and we also have IHC helper bags. Now in the front, guys, we have the Viking double adjustable coilovers installed with the VAS upper control arm. Then we have the VAS front diff brace. Also, guys, we installed MBRP 4-inch exhaust on to the vehicle. Also, we did put the digital cluster in. Got it in, got it programmed. As you can see, you've got the correct mileage in there. And then it has all of the modes. You can flip through. Really cool setup, guys. And whenever he gets the bezel, you can see it a little out of alignment, but whenever he gets the bezel in, the correct bezel in, everything will be good there. He's supposed to have gotten it, but it didn't come in yet. Kind of with the deal with parts, kind of just got to roll with it. But anyway, he's going to install that once he gets it back to his house when he gets it in. But absolutely love the digital dash. This is where we put the valve stem, the hose up to the valve stem for the helper bag. So really nice setup right there. Kind of hide it away a little bit. But guys, this is an extremely clean truck. Absolutely love it. I've asked him if he wants to sell it like 3 times. Now guys, we are at the track with the F-150. We installed the Whipple and the suspension. This is on the Whipple tune. The 21s cannot be tuned by any of the top tuners right now. So if they could, Winger Performance would be tuning this, but this is a Whipple tune, so we're going to see what it does today on the drag strip, the way it sits. Now this is basically just a clean street truck. It's very impressive on the street, so we're going to see what it does on the track today. And we do have the owner here, and we do have Andrew, which supplied all the parts from Model Muscle Performance. So go check him out. all the information down in the description of the video. So guys, let's get going. Alright guys, so they wanted me to make the first run in it, so we're going to see what this thing will do. I'm trying to get around this water box. It's being four-wheel drive. I do not need water on these tires. This thing dead hooks on the street, so I'm hoping this track is going to be good. Felt pretty good. Got a little spin out of the hole, but felt good. Alrighty, thank you very much. Alright, so we did 1166 at 118. We thought we were going to be somewhere in mid to lower 11s, and that's where we're at. 17460, so I think we can get that 60 down. Got a little bit of wheel spin off the line, so, but yeah, not bad. 1166. Alright guys, here we go. We're going to go for another run. I felt much better. I would love to have this truck long enough in my possession to start dialing in the suspension and tweaking everything and getting it to where I liked it. And then the ability to be able to tune these things and come off the stock Whipple tune, which, you know, Roush, Whipple, all those, they're very conservative, but they're safe. But it's still a damn quick truck, so I'm impressed with it. Ready? Thank you very much. All right, we got 1157 at 119 that time, so she's getting quicker with a 17160. I'm telling you guys, I am seriously contemplating a 15 to 17 and building me something. These things are just pretty awesome. But we're going to focus on the S197 first. That's the car we're going to focus on. We're going to get it where we want it. Then down the road, we might pick up an F150 to play around with. These are, for a street vehicle, these are pretty sweet. I mean, you get a truck, clocks off a mid 11 second, you know, pass, and it's just, like I said, I mean, it's a 3875 pulley on a Whipple, so I mean, it's just getting ready to go. I think Andrew and then the owner is going to run it, so I'm not going to hog the truck. That's going to be probably my last run. All right, so we got the owner driving the truck, and we got a little Hellcat over there. Hellcat looks pretty serious. He's on some drag wheels, and looks like he got some modifications done, so he should be pretty quick. But Eddie's going to get his first run in his truck and see how he likes it. right, so Andrew made his pass and he went 1162 at 119 mile per hour. I went 1157 on the second pass at 119 mile per hour, and then on my first pass I went 1166 at 118 mile per hour, 17460, 17160, and a 17260. And then the owner of the truck did 11.8. He didn't launch it as hard as Andrew and I did. Very consistent truck, very, very consistent. And then, like I said, it's still on the Whipple tune. So, Andrew, what do you think? You converted?
Yeah.
These things are slowly converting me to F150s. So what do you think about it?
Everybody on trucks.
You'll sell everybody on trucks? Now, you also have the your 19 GT, right?
Yep.
We did the TH400 swap in it, and you're getting it ready. When it gets to the drag strip, get some footage from you, see how it does at drag strip. But you're in, like, right now at your elevation, you're like at 5,000 DA. You're in New Mexico.
Yep.
So 5,000 DA, so you're not used to this. I think
we're racing in the clouds.
We're racing in like 100, 200 DA right now. Normally we don't have this good DA here either, but today's doing pretty good. Man, as soon as they get these unlocked, get custom tunes on it,
that's when
these things are gonna get really, really interested. Yep. You can get an 18 to 20 right now and they're unlocked.
Yeah.
Or 15 to 17.
Yep.
And go with that also. I'm loving the truck.
Or get yourself a 16, 15, 6 or 80.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. Guys, let me know what you think down in the comments. We're gonna get out of here. He's got a long trip back to New Mexico. He flew in to Tennessee to drive the truck back to New Mexico. He's got a long drive, so we're gonna let him hit the road. I don't want to hold him up anymore. Huge shout out to Eddie for letting us take it down the track and letting us actually build the truck for you. And then, as always, Modern Muscle Performance for all the parts. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.